Hey friends, if you encounter the error VLC is unable to open MRL file on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for VLC in the Windows search bar, click on the downward pointing arrow in the right pane and click on Run as Administrator. Now if that helps, well and good. If it does not help, then straight away reinstall it. So search for VLC in the Windows search bar, click on the downward pointing arrow, uninstall, click on these three dots here, uninstall it. Okay, let it uninstall. Click on finish. Then close it. Search for store in the Windows search bar. Go to Microsoft Store. Search for VLC in the Windows search bar. Go to VLC and click on install. It will need a while to install. You can minimize it and continue with your work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.